Most probably, many of you heard about this metaphor of cup of coffee. You're holding a cup of coffee and someone walks by and bumped into you. The coffee spills everywhere. The person will ask you, why did you spill coffee all over the place? Your answer will be, well, because you bumped me. The truth is, the coffee didn't spill because of the bump. It's because the coffee was inside your cup. It could be water, it could be tea, or it could be empty. So that is what would spill. Life bumps you. What you spill is yours. So stay with me to the end of this video. We are going to explain what that metaphor really means to us and what should we have in our cup. Most of us, we never clean that cup. We refill it with the same rage, same grief, same childhood trauma, and same response. And then we ask ourselves why we are stuck in life. The truth is, life bumps you, but you react. And it's not new. We react not at the moment with that specific bump. What we react is with our version of 20 years ago. And we keep pouring the same things over and over in the same cup. Not because we want to, but because that's what we feel like most familiar things. That's a danger. Emotional reflex becomes a kind of identity, and we keep pouring the same identity in the cup that we are holding. Pain is familiar. Sadness is predictable. And anger makes you feel powerful for a few seconds. But when life offers you a new thing, well, you reach for what you know. You refill the same cup with same narrative and same identity over and over. Same betrayal, same argument you already had in your head for 100 times. And that moment that someone bumps you, you get to say, you see, that's what always happened to me. Some of us, we are not even reacting. We are performing. We are performing the same emotion in a different costume. We lash out and we call it boundaries. And every time that life even tap us on the shoulder, what we spill is exactly what we poured yesterday or 20 years ago in the same cup. And some of us, we are not even carrying a cup anymore. We are carrying a stained ritual. We call the grief our home. Anger is justified into our identity. And wounds are reframed as an identity art. You have forgotten that you can clean the cup. Not by denying your past, of course, but by refusing to drink the same past in the same cup over and over and over. I've done it too, not because I wanted to do it, but because I didn't know who could I be without grief, without problems, without the same coffee in my cup. I made an identity out of it. And I was afraid of a silence that I have to face after when I let go of that coffee that I was pouring over and over. It was terrifying. Who am I if I'm not anymore able to see someone is always pushing me? Who am I without being able to be wronged by someone? Who am I if I stop playing the old version of me, the old story, replaying over and over? That's a real work. Not healing for the sake of feeling, but healing because you're bored of the same identity. You're bored of being hijacked by the same emotion over and over. So this is the question. Am I going to refill the same cup with the same coffee? Am I going to be loyal to the same identity that I created and is not serving me anymore? Am I going to react always as my 12? Or am I finally ready to rinse that coffee cup? Or maybe even fill it with something else, something less predictable, not for others, but for me. Maybe even I want to leave it for a while empty, just to see who am I without that echo. Life bumps you, and that's guaranteed. But the question is, do you want to spill the same coffee that you spilled last year and year before and year before? You can call it fate, you can call it familiarity. And if you're tired of the same identity and repeating to spill the same coffee, just decide, rinse it, keep it empty, quiet, let it be still for one day. Let's ask what you wanted to feel in that cup, what you want to carry with you. And when you're ready, fill it with something unexpected, something that doesn't stay, or simply wash it. Life provides you with a cup. You are the one who chooses what to put inside that cup.